Catface was recording his annual Christmas message.
Hello kids, I am trying to record my Christmas message, but I have a hurty voice and we're all out of lozenges. I will soldier on though, yes. You can't do it, you are in a box. How will you create the nuance and the feelings? No, alright, but no swears. I will let that one slide. Okay, take it away. Oh, Boxy, that is beautiful.
Silly Catface.
Merry Christmas to all of you, and stock up on the lozenges for the croaky cats. We get swelly larynxes too, you know. Yes.